Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return in Australia using an easy method. We will focus on My Tax, the Australian Taxation Office's free online service, which simplifies the process for many. This method is perfect for individual taxpayers who have relatively straightforward financial affairs, saving you time and effort. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Before you begin, it is crucial to gather all necessary documents. This includes your income statements from employers, details of any bank interest earned, and your private health insurance statement. The good news is that the Australian Taxation Office often pre-fills much of this information directly into My Tax. Always check your income statement in MyGov to confirm everything is accurate before proceeding. Once you have your documents ready, log in to your MyGov account and navigate to the Australian Taxation Office service to access My Tax. Here, you will see much of your information already pre-filled. Take your time to carefully review all the pre-filled data. If you have additional income, like from investments or eligible deductions, such as work-related expenses, you can easily add them in the relevant sections. The final step is critical: a thorough review. Carefully check every section of your tax return to ensure there are no errors or missing information. Once you are confident everything is accurate, read and agree to the declaration, confirming that the information provided is true and correct. Then, simply submit your return. Most refunds are typically processed within 2 weeks of successful submission, often even faster.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.